across the wall. At its base, so down, the dome is 23 feet thick, but only 2 feet thick at the rim of the oculus. Okay? It rains inside, as you can imagine, there's a hole, it rains inside, but a gently sloping floor and 22 well-hidden holes help the water to drain away. So we can go around and you see the holes, they are very small, okay? More or less, some of them are you can recognize. Last thing, be patient, and I would like to tell you another thing. A clever lighting trick is played out on the 21st of April, the fountain day of Rome. At midday, the sunlight hits the metal grill above the door, above the door and then at midday, the sunlight hits the metal grill above the door, filling the entranceway with light. This would have illuminated the emperor in ancient times, reflecting his perceived status as a god on earth. Does it make sense? And another beautiful effect takes place at Pentecost when rose petals are sprinkled through the oculus after the annual mass. Wow. Last thing, the dome outside, not inside, outside, was originally covered in bronze, which would have made the skyline of the city sparkle in the sunlight. However, throughout the Middle Ages, materials were gradually stripped away to be used elsewhere. A pope, the Pope Urban VIII, was a member of the Barberini family, listen this, famously took the bronze from this building in 1631 to construct cannons for the Vatican, giving rise to the saying, quod non fecerunt barbari, fecerunt barberini. It means, what the barbarians, the barbarians, didn't do was done by the Barberini. We belong to the Barberini. And people were not so glad when they took the bronze from to construct the cannons. Okay, so now very quickly, go there and where you see the statue of St. Mary, you look underneath and there is the house of another painting of the Renaissance. Go there and come back for those who want to see it.
Five.